Hello, marhaba, and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new episode of Invest in High-End Projects in Istanbul with your investment guide Adil Sami. So my investors, why I believe my project JW Marriott Trabia residence is one of the high-end projects in Istanbul because of three reasons. The first one is the location. Based in Sarıyer district of Trabia, and look at this beautiful view of our Bosphorus. The second one is exclusivity. We just have 200 units, 20 home offices. The third reason is the price range, starting from $800,000 up to $3, $4, $5 million as per the size, as per the floor, and as per this view. So be with us to know about more of this project. Now my lovely investors, let's talk about why you should invest in this project, JW Marriott Trabia. You have heard this correctly. Yes, JW Marriott. We have branches all over the world. Around 170 countries JW have the branches. And this is one of their projects in Istanbul, JW Residences. That means you will be living in a brand, in a luxury concept residence in Istanbul. And we are talking about the location. Trabia is one of the finest regions in Sarıyer. Next to us we have the Bosphorus. Next to us we have the third bridge, second bridge. What else you want in regard of the location? And we are talking about the project. It's amazing project. Honestly speaking, we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, and the bigger apartment. The starting price is $800,000 and it can goes up to $3, $4, $5 million. It depends upon the floor. It depends upon the view. All these things matters a lot. The position of this project will be we are talking about June, July, August 2025. That means if you wanted to come to Istanbul, you wanted to live in Istanbul, you wanted to start a new life in Istanbul, what will be better than living in Istanbul, starting your new life in summers 2025. So I believe if you really wanted to come here, you wanted to live here, you wanted to live like a royal here, with the brand in Istanbul, with the high-end society of Istanbul, JW Marriott Residences can be one of your opportunities for you. If you have any query, you have any concern, you wanted to talk about this project or my other projects, you can contact me, you can contact our team, and we will see you in another video of Invest in High-End Projects in Istanbul with your investment guide Adil Sami.